Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Renee. I am Renee. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Mindfulness Meditation for Happiness. As always, please choose your preferred seated position, either on the floor, as I am, with your legs crossed, or in a chair with back support. With your hands, you can place them palms up, down, or just fold it in your lap, whichever you prefer. If you are ready, go ahead and close your eyes at this time. Bringing your breath to a natural breathing pace, breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. With every breath, becoming more relaxed. Happiness is not only important to us, but also those that are around us, our family members, our partners, our children. The takeaway from today's session is that we must look inward for happiness. Do not look outward for happiness. Do not try to find happiness in materialistic things such as technology, phones, or cars, or even people. This session is all about self-exploration. I would like you to think of a time when you were happy. Think of a time when you last truly smiled. How did you feel at that moment? Now concentrating on that feeling with every in and out breath. Let that feeling radiate throughout your body. Starting from your toes, let that feeling grow. To your ankles, to your shins and calves, let that happiness grow inside of you. To your knees and front thighs, to the back of your thighs, to your buttocks, to your hips, to your waist, to your stomach and lower back, remembering to breathe naturally. Don't try to control your breathing. Don't try to speed it up or slow it down. Feel the happiness in your chest and upper back. To your shoulders, to your biceps and triceps, to your elbows and forearms, to your wrists, to your palms and the back of your hands. To your fingertips, now to your neck, your jaw, to your teeth, making sure we're not clenching our teeth, to our ears and nose and face, to the back of our head and to the top of our head. If you had your eyes closed and now you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Please keep in mind that meditation, just like anything else, will get better and easier with time. As always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.